That was a funny intro though. So my topic is conducting a business meeting. Before I begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Pradhaman Singh. I live in Toronto until my quarantine period ends. I don't have much experience about conducting a business meeting, but I have collected information from several websites and I have referred them down under the description column. So let's start. Beginning with, there are four main things to note. What is your objective, whom you're inviting, starting up with positivity, and prioritizing the agenda and sticking up with it. While determining the objective, a clear goal will set the tone for the meeting and determine its directions. Your goal should be specific and measurable. If you're expecting attendees to brainstorm ideas, ask each participant to arrive with a list of ideas. It would be the best tip I can give. So, the second thing is inviting some decision makers. Decision makers would be the best option. It will must help you. The most effective meeting involve stakeholders to ensure decisions can be made immediately. If a key decision maker is unavailable, ask a subordinate to attend. Ideally, this person will be able to speak to for their supervisor, and at the very least time they will take notes and report back. The third thing is starting the meeting with a good note and a smiling face will release pressure and help grabbing positive vibes effectively. Routine meetings designed to touch base with employees and discuss status reports can usually be accomplished in just 15 minutes or less. Keep an eye on everyone. Remain standing during this time. It will help to achieve their attention. So, prioritizing the agenda is the basic thing. Don't get off topic much easily. Moreover, don't leave the most important topics for last to ensure that the highest priority objectives are met. Discuss the most issues first. That way, if someone needs to step away or leave the meeting early, you will still accomplish your main goals. What else? Stick to the agenda. I have discussed don't get off topic. It will help to maintain the flow of the meeting. Alright, we have discussed four topics. Determine the objective, invite decision makers, positivity, your agenda, and don't get off topic. So, basically, you should quickly retreat any decisions, deadlines, and clarify any follow up actions required. All meeting participants should understand exactly what is expected of them. And one more thing, schedule your next follow up meetings immediately. All right, this was all about conducting a business meeting. I have covered all the main topics. If I have left something, please comment down. I will reply to each and every comment. And if you want me to make another video, I will make it. What else? Bye bye, guys. Have a nice day. While determining the objective, a clear goal. It's quite cold out here. The third thing is starting the meeting with a good note and a smiling face. Oh, nee. So, inviting some decision makers would be the best option. It will must help you. Um,
whatever. Please, I want to reach 1 million likes. So please, Sarapakara. Yes. Okay, thank you.